Now on to an important case that is being heard in a Mumbai court. The arguments over the quantum of sentence in the Pallavi Purkayastha murder case has begun in a court in Mumbai. The scenes inside the court is emotionally charged, with Pallavi's mother breaking down. The court had on Monday, remember, convicted a security guard in connection with the murder of the 25-year-old lawyer in her apartment in the year 2012. The court has convicted the security guard on charges of murder, molestation and criminal trespass. Prosecution has examined as many as 40 witnesses. The defense examined 3 in the case. Pallavi's family has demanded the death penalty for the killing. We have Virendra Singh Gunawa joining us live from outside that court in Mumbai, where the arguments are still on. Virendra, any idea how soon we can expect a judgment? We understand that Ujjwal Nikam is the lawyer who's fighting on behalf of Pallavi's family.
It seems very difficult that whether this judgment would come, whether the quantum of the judgment would come today or not, but it seems that sources are saying it might even take tomorrow, but we are still waiting for the special public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam and the entire family should come out from the court number 34 that is going on within this city civil session court. Ujjwal Nikam has asked for a death penalty. He even said that the balance should be made between death penalty and the life imprisonment. He even said while in the argument that the accused enjoyed the killing and the victim struggled to stay alive. She knocked the door even at a neighbor, but finally she died, but she was quite strong. That was words being used by the special Ujjwal Nikam, and in fact he had said that the accused was not juvenile. He was 25 age. He knew what he was doing. He enjoyed the killing. He even after the incident, after killing the Pallavi, he even explained the details to another security guard. So there is a lot strong evidence against the accused. It's only that what quantum of sentence of should be given by the judge. We are waiting for that. And even at one point of time, the mother of Pallavi, she cried and the emotions were out before the judge. So we need to see really what really comes out, whether today or maybe tomorrow.
All right, Virendra, thanks very much for that update. Ujjwal Nikam, remember, is the public prosecutor who's making his arguments before that Mumbai court. It is, however, remains to be seen whether or not the judgment will come out today or whether it will be tomorrow.